many of you are familiar with the usual trainings focused on disaster preparedness. This R2R training program is part of that repertoire. However, it is an innovative endeavor since it tackles preparedness in a new perspective.
The Ready to Rebuild Disaster Rehabilitation and Recovery Training Program.
And as local chief executives, technical staff, no one knows your communities as well as your constituents better than you do. In leading your communities to a more climate and disaster resilient future, we hope that the tools, the techniques, the practical learnings and experiences from the Ready to Rebuild program will enable you to recover faster and build back better.
Yung challenges na face namin noong panahon ng Typhoon Binta, napakalaki talaga. Ang isa dyan kasi is, ang tanong, paano natin ma-cope up yung extent of damages na gawa ng Typhoon Binta, lalo na sa mga infrastructure. Considering na we have only a minimal amount na meron kami, then we will rebuild, we will rehab, we will restore yung mga nasira.
We decided to join the Ready to Rebuild program so that we may be able to know and improve ourselves and be able to comply with what is the standard and realize what menu of projects, what projects we may have to undertake so that we can implement an effective recovery program for the whole of Quezon City.
I believe that Marubo Surigao del Sur is not exempted to disasters. And this program offers the local government the transfer of knowledge to better delivery of implementation of recovery and rehabilitation service from natural and human-induced disaster through a systematic planning.
Malaki yung magiging tulong niya sa amin, lalo na sa aming lalawigan. So, ito first time namin na na-attendan yung training na kung saan gumagawa ka ng plano dun sa isang kalamidad na maaaring mangyari.
The sequencing of the learning modules and activities is very straightforward and it allows us easier comprehension. The inputs of the experts. And of course, during the reporting, I was able to know what other provinces have been doing.
When we heard experiences like this, tapos may ginawa silang para sa amin very novel na pwede namin i-apply, pwede pa lang namin gamitin sa aming daily work, yun ay na-appreciate natin.
I salute the participants in coming up with a sound initial recovery and rehabilitation plan based on the events, based on the actual data that we have gathered.
Siguro yun din dapat ang main skills sa mga planners ng bawat LGUs na when you're planning for like this, na specifically for rehabilitation and recovery, what can you give to the people? What can you provide? No? What are the assistance to be given? Who are the key persons? Who are the key departments? Minsan kasi mahirap magplano mag-isa. So it's really a team effort.
Always keep in mind that our people deserve the benefits of progress, protected from the ravages of disasters. Therefore, let us continue to strive relentlessly to build a safer, climate change adaptive, and resilient Philippines.
maging